You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, how to pronounce in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary, more irregular verbs as well in English, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. It is from the verb to stand, as in I'm standing on my own in the street. Now the past tense is stood, as in he stood strong as the wind was blowing. Stood. How to pronounce English pronunciation, stood. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.